Hey there, welcome. Now, this is the 100x money management formula of the BMM course. This is something which will which will make you so much money you can't even imagine. When I found this, I thought, oh, that seems like a simple formula. But when I started implementing it with the BMM method, the BMM strategy, I was stunned because I was not losing trades. I was winning at a stretch, 5 trades, 6 trades, seven trades, and I was not losing. But that was not doing me a lot good. But when I started implementing the money management formula, I have been able to turn a small investment of mine into such a huge account now that I look back and I am stunned. Even now, I feel I get goosebumps, I get chills on how wealth is money. I'm sorry, I'm choking right now because this money management formula really is extremely powerful. You need to pay close attention to this, okay? Now, look at this. This is a great plan which risks the lowest but gives the maximum returns. These are the 16 trades, the amount of trade you have to take, and after 16 trades, you make $109.20. It's more than $100, and you start with just $1. So let's say you have $100 in your trading account in your brokerage firm. Now you take $1 out of those $100 balance and start implementing the PMM strategy and make trades. What will happen is after every trade, you will go to the second step. So let's say you start here with $1, then the next trade will be $1 again, then third, fourth, fifth, and likewise. There are only two steps to this formula. If you win, move to the next trade, and if you lose, move two trades above. So let's say you lose the fifth trade here, you lose this one, then you just move on and go above to the third trade, right? Yeah, because you move two trades above. So from 5, you move to 3. So you'll take this trade again. That's it. No rocket science, nothing. Now this seems like really simple, but this is terrific. This is absolutely amazing. You just have to master the main BMM strategy to the core, and if you get amazing setups, then you can also stack 2 3 trades in a row, but only if you get ultra amazing setups which are too good to be true. I mean, setups I'm talking about when the price goes up, comes back down to the sentiment line, goes back again, hits 2.5, trades of that sort. Okay, so let's talk about stacking trade. So let's say you have got $100 and you see that there is a great setup, that what you can do is do one, two, three at one time. So take $3 and put 3 trades worth $1. Don't put one single trade of $3, but put 3 trades of $1 each, because what happens is after it touches the 2.5 band, you open a trade, but sometimes it goes as high as 3.0. The price goes as high as 3.0, so you can open another trade and then another trade, and then it comes down and you have completed 3 steps of the process. But you have to do this only if the setup is amazing, or else you can just take one trade, move to the next, third, fourth, and likewise. Okay, this is where your patience and discipline is going to be tested, because you are going to see so much money, and there will be times that you will be thinking, oh my god, I have to wait so much for the setup. Why not just take a trade? And you are on a ninth or maybe 10th step, and you just take a random trade and you lose and go back to 8, you again lose, go back to 6, fourth, and that's how a losing spree starts. So just be patient, just be disciplined. Take just one trade if you have to in a day. Just take one trade if you have to in a day, and in 16 days you will have 100x the money whatever you started with. So in 16 days you can turn your $1 into $109. Then take those $100 and you can make this thing again. Like you can start with $10 on the first step, and again $10 on the second, $10 on the third, then 20 on the fourth, and likewise. And you can turn the $10 into $1,090 in 16 steps. So 1 month you can do $1, you can turn $1 into 100. The second month you can turn 100 $10 into 1,000. Then in the third month you can take $100 out of those $1,000 profit and turn that $100 into $10,000. This is how simple it is to make money when you have the right strategy and the right money management plan. So again, your patience and discipline will be tested here. So just fuck emotions and be strong and stick to the plan. Don't let emotions kill you. Don't let your emotions screw you. Take just one trade if it takes to complete this formula. And what happens is you don't have to be winning all the time. Let's say you just won four trades. If you lose the fourth one, just go back to the second. Okay, if you lose the second one, go back to one. If you continue win eight trades and lose the ninth one, you can go back to seventh. And so that way you have to win and lose. And in 2022 trades, you will be having 100x the amount of what you started with. Okay, so that's how amazing this plan is. Now let me walk you through this whole plan. You start with $1. Let's say you are getting 70% return on the trade, so you make 70 cents. So now you have $1.70. Then you trade another dollar. You take $1 from this 170 and you make 70 cents again, so you have $2.40 now. Do again the same thing, you have 310. Then you take $2 from $3.10 and you make 450. You make 140 profit and you add up and you have 450. Do 8 trades and take your $1 back. So now you take the 8th trade, you have $11.50 total profits. Just take your $1 back. And now you have $100, at the same time $10.50 extra profits. You keep on moving down this line, take these trades, following the right strategy at divergences and the best setups, and after 16 trades, you will be having $109.20 in your pocket. And think back, you started with just $1, and these numbers look small, but think, what if you have $1,000 in your account and you start taking $100 straight? And you follow this whole plan, you will be having $10,000. $10,000 is a lot of money, right? So that is how you follow the money management formula, the BMM 100x money management formula. Tell me, uh, what do you think about this? Because this seems easy, but when you start implementing it, you are going to know what I was talking about, why I was choking when I was making this video, right? So just follow this, and that's it for this video.